After the device is assembled, it can be powered on and started. To turn on the main unit, you need to press the button. Then wait a moment and it will start. After the calibration data is completed, start using the display software. Let's start with the two-dimensional picture version. This version supports single screen and dual screen. Then we explain how to replace these video pictures and text. Find the resources folder of the corresponding software package. The PG file is the background video in MP4 format of the main screen. PG2 is the background JPG format of the extended screen. Config is its parameter. It has two modes. Change the number to 1 if you want mode 1. Change the number to 2 if you need mode 2. Then the above is the number of tokens to fill in. If you have 5 tokens, fill in the number 5. Then import it to the res folder. In the res folder is the data for each token. If there are 5 tokens, you need to delete the folder after number 5. The number of tokens and the number of folders need to be consistent. Token 1 is token number 1, corresponding to 4 folders. The name can be changed and the software will change in real time after the change. The pictures are all in JPG format. We can modify the text below the image. If you don't need text display, just delete the content in the document. Then below is the video folder. The video folder contains pictures and videos, and the corresponding image and video file names must be consistent. One picture corresponds to one video, and then show the software for panoramic roaming. Can be switched in the software. Then use the token in red. Spin the other side with the orange token and you can switch to the living room. Rotate the red button to rotate the display angle. You can then switch to a downward line of sight. The material of this software is also in the res folder in the resource. The room folder is a panorama of the floor plan of each room. The image format is JPG. Panoramic pictures of each room. This is a floor plan of the entire home screen. This folder contains all the materials used in the main interface picture. All materials are replaced in this folder. When changing, it needs to be consistent with the original picture name and format. Let's demonstrate the three-dimensional picture party building roaming software. Once the material is set up, you can start using the token. When the token moves to the corresponding sensing position, it will trigger the playback of video and audio. Select to switch playback content. You can also set the video to loop. This software is the production of three-dimensional picture scenes, so you can only replace the pictures in the hotspots. Replacement files in the images folder in the resources folder. When replacing, you need to pay attention to the replacement with the same name and the same format. This is the method of replacing the overall software material. The next step is to explain the shutdown of the device. Press the ESC key on the keyboard to exit the effect interface. Remove the token from the screen after each use is complete. Normal shutdown procedure.